Hello everybody, and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I am so happy that you joined me today. Let's get started. Today I will be reviewing for you the Freetress Equal lace front, the Freedom Part wig, and it's in style 205, and this is what she looks like. If you are interested in this particular wig, why don't you stay tuned? Be back shortly. We can see that this particular wig has two combs, one on your right and left sides of the wig. They are this size. We also have a comb position at the nape of the wig here. We also have our adjustable band, and included in this wig, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a very soft grip band around the perimeter of this wig, so you have added security when you place it on. It's not going to go anywhere. I'm flipping it back on the outside. This particular wig does come with baby hairs. You also have the lace. That's why it's the lace front here. We're going to cut that off, come back and let you see this particular wig. Just want to point out, we'll talk more about the parting, the Freedom parting here in a little bit, so stay tuned. I'll be back wearing unit 205. Before we go further with the video, I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I thank you so very much. This is a special thank you to each and every one of you individually, wherever you are in this great big old world. Thank you so very much. And I'm also claiming those of you who haven't subscribed, you're going to subscribe today. I know you will. Hit that subscribe button. But now on to the video. I'm back wearing unit 205 by Freetress Equal. This is their Freedom Part lace front unit. This is the stock card, and I am wearing her in color 2. This is what she looks like, guys. I like this particular wig because it doesn't appear as if the wig is wearing me. You know, it still shows your face, but it has enough density where it's just right, and I really do like that. I cut the lace front off. Of course, you can see it is filled with beautiful curls, not overwhelming. I did wear it with some over my shoulder, but let me do a side-to-side view so that you can see how it looks. I told you earlier that I would talk about that Freedom Part. It does have a part here. However, the Freedom Part language does not mean that you can part it anywhere within the unit itself. That simply means that you can take the wig, the unit, and move it to your right, or you can shift it and move it to your left. I chose to leave it in the middle so that you can still see my face. Again, I really do like the density of this wig. It's not too much. The curls aren't overwhelming. It is big head friendly. It fits so comfortable, and I believe it is because of that elastic band that you saw in the perimeter of the wig. So it grips very nicely, comfortable fit. All of the information about where I purchased this wig, the cost of this particular unit will be provided in the description box below. And also below, you will see a thumbs up figure. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying the information. I do hope that me providing general information about this unit was helpful. That's my intent here, and I thank you every week for joining me. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other, and we'll be back with another wig review next week. So take care, everybody.